Albert Einstein. Einstein is often thought of as one of the most important scientists of the 20th century. His work in theoretical physics has greatly affected how we think about the universe. Einstein spent his whole life trying to help us learn more about space, time, and how matter and energy work. In this video, we'll look more closely at Einstein's life, his groundbreaking research, and how his work has changed the world. So let's get started. Albert Einstein was born in Ulm, Württemberg, Germany on March 14, 1879. He grew up in Munich, where his family ran a small business. He went to a Catholic elementary school and then the Leupold Gymnasium for high school. Einstein was good at math and physics from a young age, but didn't do well in school and was often told off for having a bad attitude. Einstein's family moved to Milan in 1895, but he stayed in Munich to finish school. Later, he failed the test to get into the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, but the next year he was accepted. In 1900, he got a degree in mathematics and physics teaching. Einstein had trouble finding work after he graduated, so he worked as a tutor and a substitute teacher. In 1902, he got a job as a technical assistant in Bern, Switzerland at the Swiss Patent Office. Einstein made several important contributions to theoretical physics while working at the Patent Office. In 1905, he published a set of papers that would later be called the Annus Mirabilis Papers, Miracle Year Papers. In these papers, which were published in the scientific journal Annalen der Physik, he explained the photoelectric effect, which earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. He also developed the theory of special relativity, which fundamentally changed the field of physics and our understanding of space and time. In addition, he made important contributions to the field of statistical mechanics and the understanding of atomic phenomena. Einstein returned to Germany in 1914 and became a physics professor at the University of Berlin. He would spend the rest of his life studying and working on theoretical physics and cosmology. In 1915, he published the theory of general relativity, which was built on the theory of special relativity. He explained that gravity is a bend in spacetime caused by the presence of mass and energy. General relativity has been tested a lot, and it is one of the most accurate theories in physics. Einstein also spoke out loudly for civil rights and peace in the world. He was a part of the NAACP and spoke out against racism and discrimination. He also spoke out against the rise of Nazism in Germany and was one of the first people to warn about the dangers of Hitler and the Nazi Party. In 1933, he moved to the United States to get away from the rise of Nazism in Germany. In 1940, he became a citizen of the United States. He worked at Princeton University's Institute for Advanced Study and continued to study theoretical physics and cosmology. Einstein's work in physics had a big impact on the development of atomic energy, and his E=mc² equation laid the groundwork for the development of nuclear power. He also made important contributions to the field of quantum mechanics, and his work greatly affected the development of technologies like the transistor and the laser. Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955. He was 76 years old. Many people think he was one of the most important scientists of the 20th century, and his work is still studied and praised today. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.